Hey, this is Laura from Purl Soho, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to work both a right and a left twist. It's a really simple and effective decorative stitch technique. As you can see here, we've used it to fancy up what would be just a very standard 2x2 rib. Let's get started. All right, let's do a right twist. The first thing you do to make a right twist stitch is use your right needle to knit into the second stitch on your left needle. Be careful not to let these stitches slip off the left needle after knitting into that second stitch. The second step is to knit into the first stitch on that left needle. Now once you've knit into the first stitch, at that point you can let those stitches fall from the left needle. And that's it. That's a right twist. So I'm going to do a little bit of ribbing and then I'll show you how to do that one more time. All right, let's work another right twist. So I'm going to first knit into the second stitch and then knit into the first stitch, and then I can let those stitches fall from the left needle. Easy as that. Now I'm going to purl a bit and then let's jump into a left twist. Now I'm ready to work a left twist. So the first thing you do is knit through the back loop of the second stitch on this left needle. So identify your second stitch and then insert your right needle into the back, see here, of that second stitch and knit. Be careful not to let these slip off your left needle just yet. Then knit the first stitch on your needle as you normally would, and then once you've done that you can let those stitches fall from the left needle, and that's a left twist. Now I'm going to do a little rib and show you how to do that one more time. Okay, ready for another left twist. Here we go. I'm going to knit through the back loop of that second stitch on the left needle and then knit normally that first stitch on the left needle and then let both those stitches fall. And that's it. That's a right twist and a left twist.